Growing education in a country involves addressing various facets of the educational system, ensuring accessibility, quality, and relevance. Here are several strategies to promote the growth of education in a country.
Universal access, infrastructure development, build and maintain schools, especially in rural and underserved areas, ensuring that students have physical access to educational facilities.
Transportation facilities. Provide transportation options to students in remote areas, reducing barriers to school attendance.
Quality teachers, teacher training programs, invest in comprehensive training programs for teachers, ensuring they are equipped with the latest pedagogical methods and subject expertise.
Incentive structures. Establish incentives to attract and retain highly qualified teachers, recognizing their role in shaping the future of the country.
Curriculum relevance. Review and update curriculum. Regularly review and update the curriculum to ensure it remains relevant to the needs of a changing society, incorporating skills for the modern workforce.
Integration of technology. Infuse technology into the curriculum to enhance learning experiences and prepare students for a digital world.
Community involvement. Parental and community engagement. Foster collaboration between schools and local communities, encouraging parents to actively participate in their children's education.
Community learning centers. Establish community learning centers that provide education and training opportunities beyond regular school hours.
Affordable education, scholarship programs. Implement scholarship and financial aid programs to make education more accessible to students from economically disadvantaged backgrounds.
Reduce textbook costs. Utilize digital resources, open educational materials, and initiatives to reduce the financial burden of textbooks on students.
Early childhood education. Invest in early childhood programs. Promote and invest in early childhood education programs to ensure a strong foundation for children before they enter formal schooling.
Parenting workshops. Conduct workshops to educate parents about the importance of early childhood development and their role in their child's learning.
Technology integration. Digital literacy programs. Implement digital literacy programs to equip students with essential technology skills.
Online learning platforms. Integrate online learning platforms to provide supplementary resources and support personalized learning.
Inclusive education. Special education programs. Develop and enhance programs that cater to students with special needs, ensuring an inclusive learning environment.
Diversity and inclusion training. Provide training for educators to create classrooms that respect and celebrate diversity.
Public-private partnerships. Collaboration with industry. Foster partnerships with industries to align educational programs with real-world skills and job market demands.
Corporate sponsorship. Encourage corporate sponsorship and involvement in educational initiatives to supplement government funding.
Continuous assessment and improvement. Monitoring and evaluation. Implement robust systems for monitoring and evaluating educational programs, using the data to make informed decisions and improvements.
Teacher feedback mechanisms. Establish mechanisms for teachers to provide feedback on educational policies, curriculum, and professional development opportunities.
Global collaboration. International partnerships. Collaborate with international organizations and institutions to exchange best practices, resources, and expertise in education.
Student exchange programs. Facilitate student exchange programs to expose students to diverse cultural and educational experiences. By adopting a comprehensive approach that addresses both systemic and localized issues, countries can foster the growth of education, empowering individuals and contributing to national development.